It doesn't matter what day of the week it is, dear Taurus. When your body needs a break, it needs a break. End of story. Now you can fight it, you can push back, you can keep convincing yourself, but it's Monday and I need to be, is it Monday? I think it's Monday. I need to be at my best. I need to, do all of these things that, the Monday energy. I always recommend to people, don't work on a Monday, right? Now, it's easier said than done, of course, perhaps for some, maybe not for others. I'm not sure. But if you remove that rat race energy from your Monday, the Monday energy, Monday always has an energy. If you actually remove that energy from your day today, you'll be able to take care of the things in your life that require love and nurturing right now, because they're the things that will bring more of what you love into your life. Otherwise, what you're doing is you're almost on autopilot doing what people do on a Monday. Whatever most people in the world do on a Monday, that's all you're doing. It's not useful. Do yourself a favor if it's possible. For a little while, if you can, let Monday be your day off of something. So whatever you have on a Monday routine, shift it just for a little while and notice what happens.